Do you want to start a business in 2025 and you don't have money for stock, or you don't have money for any buy any product, or you don't even have money for shipping? Then video is for you, because in this video I'm going to show you 10 different business ideas which you can go into in this 2025 without spending any money. With zero capital, you can start up this business for yourself. And believe me, if you can be able to put this business which I'll be listing out right now, any of it in work, you are going to start making money for yourself in this 2025 without spending any money. Yes, you heard me right. Without you spending any money. And you can start up this business at the comfort of your home. What you just need is just your smartphone and internet connection. You don't need anything capital. You don't need to buy any product. In fact, you don't even need to rent a shop, or you start up a shop, or get a stock, or all those things. You will be at the comfort of your home, inside your room, and you'll be doing this business, and you'll be making massive money for yourself every month. So if that sounds so interesting to you, I want you to watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because the part you decided to skip may be most important part you need to watch to get everything done right. So don't skip any part. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am Nupe Flavor TV. In this channel, I teach you how you can make money with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. So if that sounds so interesting to you, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell, so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let's go dive into it. Let me give you 10 business ideas which you can start today in 2025 at the comfort of your home, and you'll be making massive income for yourself without capital, without anything like investment, without stock, without buying any product and resell, and you'll be making this business. So now let's get started. The first on our list today is what we call print on demand business. That is the first one on our list. Print on demand business. This is the process of you creating. If you know how to design t-shirt, you can design t-shirt, phone cases, and a lot of things that you can design. And if you can design these things, you can make money from them. Yes, you can make money from them. You don't need to even print them, like you are designing clothes to print them, or you are designing phone cases to print. No, you don't need to print them. You can sell it online just by know how to design all these things. If you can design phones cases, or t-shirt, or bag, so after you design all these products, you know how to design these things, then when you design it, there are a lot of platforms who are ready that you can sell this thing to. And when you sell it to them, all they just have to do is to print it out. When people need it, they will print it to those people, and you will be paid. You don't need to do the work yourself. You just be sitting at the comfort of your home. You design the bag, you design the t-shirt, you design the phone cases, and you give it to this platform. When you give it to this platform, they are going to deliver your product. Immediately somebody is looking for this product, they will deliver it to you, to those people, and they will pay you your money. So this is how this work. Your job is just to design and you promote. You just to design and promote. You don't need anything like stock. You don't need a warehouse. You just your profit. All you just need is just your profit. You don't need anything like your stock. You don't need warehouse to start doing business. With your smartphone at the comfort of your home, you can design these things, and you'll be selling to this platform, and you'll be making your money. Now the second one in our list today is what we call affiliate marketing. Now let's read together. He said this is perfect if you don't have a product of your own. As you can see, if you don't have any product of your own, you can go into affiliate marketing at the comfort of your home with your smartphone, and you'll be making money. And as you can see, you promote someone else's product online, and when people buy through your special link, you get paid a commission. You can promote product on Amazon, courses on digital store 24. You can even promote software, or you can also promote software on ClickBanks. Yeah, there are a lot of platforms that you can sign up as an affiliate. And when you sign up on this platform like Amazon KDP, you can also sign up on digital store. You can also sign up on ClickBanks. There are a lot of these platforms that offer affiliate marketing, which you can get product links, and when you promote this product link, you'll be making money if people buy this product link. I have a video which I talk about a lot of things we need to know about affiliate marketing. So I'll be leaving down the link to that video in the description of this video right now, so you can go and check it out. And when you check it out, it's going to put you through. You don't need to do any hard work. All you just have to do is just to get this product link and you promote it on your WhatsApp group or your Telegram group, or if you have any social media account, you can be promoting this product. And when people see this product, they buy the product, you make money. I have a video which I've talked about how you can be using affiliate marketing, how you can be making money with affiliate marketing. I will leave the link to that video in the description of this video, or on this my channel. You can check it out and watch the video. It will put you through on how you can be making money with affiliate marketing at the comfort of your home, without you selling any product, without you buying any product or reselling. And you'll be selling this product and you'll be making money for yourself. Now, the third one on our list today is what we call drop shipping. Yes, you can also make money at the comfort of your home by doing drop shipping business. And drop shipping business, you don't also need to buy this product. It's just for you to create your own store. When you create your own store, you'll be making sale and you'll be making money. And when you create your own store, you can be selling product from AliExpress to people. All you just have to do is just to get the product from AliExpress and put it on your website store. And when you put it on your website store, you'll be selling this product and you'll be making money for yourself. And let's read together. It says dropshipping is like having your own online store, but you don't own any stock. So as you can see, it says having your online store, but you don't own any stock. List products on your website like fashion, gadget, beauty item. When someone order, you forward that order to a supplier and they ship it direct to the customer. As you can see, you don't need to have this product. All you just have to do is just to get this product to your own website store. And when you get it to your own website store, when somebody order it, you ship it to the supplier, and the supplier is going to handle everything, the shipping, the everything. The supplier is going to handle it, and you are going to be making your money. You are going to be making yourself. I also have a video which I've talked about that in the description of this video. You can go and check that out. And also in my channel here, you can check the video and you will see it. As you can see, say you never touch any product. Use platform like Shopify with Olebo and WooCommerce with AliExpress. You can use all these platforms and start creating your own digital store, and you start making money by selling this product. Now, the next on our list today is what we call digital product store. So you can also make money by selling digital product, yes, without you owning this product. And digital products are like eBooks. You can be selling eBooks, templates. You can design all these things. You can make money. Now let's read together. It says sell things that don't physically exist, like eBooks, templates, planners, music, or design files. You can sell all these things without you getting these things. All you just have to do, they have a lot of platforms that you can get this thing from, and you'll be selling it. As you can see, you can create it at once, upload it to website like EastZ, Gumroad, or Playship, or people download it and you make money. All you just have to do is just to get this ebooks. You can create ebooks on your own, and to create all these ebooks, all you just have to do is just to go to Canva. And when you go to Canva, you can design ebooks, you can design templates. There are a lot of platforms that offer this service that you can be doing it. And when you do it, all you just have to do is just to upload it on different type of website. This website you are seeing here, I'm listing out here right now. I can take this website, this product, to this website, and you'll be making money. There are digital products that you can see, like courses, ebooks. There are a lot of them that you can be doing, and you'll be making money. I also have a video which I teach you on how you can be selling digital products online. That video will be in the description of this video. It explains everything about selling digital products, how you can get digital products if you don't have digital products on your own, how you can be selling people's digital products and you'll be making money. That video will be in the description of this video, or you can ask me any of the video I mentioned in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to send you the video. If I forgot to put it in the description of this video or the comment section of this video, when you ask me, I'm going to send you the video in the comment section, or you can check the video out in my channel here and you are going to see the video. Now let's move on. Now another one in our list today, which is the 51, that is selling online courses, and it is called online courses creation. You don't need to be a professor. If you know something others wants to learn, you can teach it. Create a course about it. This is it. You can create course about what you know people are searching for. what people are looking for to learn. A lot of people today don't know how to do some things, and they are online searching for how to do that things, like how to bake cake, how do you do makeup. As you can see, there are thousands of people searching for this thing, how to start a small business online. If you know how to talk about how to start business online, you can create a course about it. If you know how to bake a cake, you can create courses about it. Any idea of things you know you can do better, you can create a course about it. And when you create this course, there are a lot of platforms that you can sell these things and you'll be making money. All you just have to do, just take your smartphone, create a video, demonstrate how this thing is being done, teach people how it's being done, and you make it as a course. And there are a lot of platforms which offer service that you can sell these things for people who are looking for it, and you are going to be making your money. You just can create one video and you'll be earning a lot of money, because when you create one video and upload, thousands of people will see this video, they will download it, and they will buy it from the platform. And they buy it from the platform, you can be making money from it. If you are looking for a website that you can sell all these things, this website I just list here right now, you can try any of them out. And when you try it out, they offer this service where you can sell these things, courses, and when you sell them to people, you are going to be making your money. Now, the next one on our list is what we call social media management. This is the process of you helping people to manage their social media account for them, and you'll be making money for yourself. As you can see, many small business owners don't have time to manage their Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok account. So you'll be their social media management, you'll be managing their social media account for them, and you'll be making some money, because they are going to pay you, of course, for managing their social media account. Depends on what you guys discuss. You can start a business helping them. Post content, reply to messaging, and grow their pages, and you'll be making money, because they are going to pay you for all this service you are going to be doing for them. So now the next one on our list is what we call freelancing service. And freelancing service, I've talked about freelancing a lot in this my channel. I've talked about that recently, because freelancing is what you can do with zero capital. All you just need is your skills. All you need is the method, what you can do. You can put it in work and you'll be making money from it. And freelancing service is you offering service to people, and people are going to pay you, like video designing, photo designing, graphic designing, website building, logo creation, voiceover, video editing, writings. There are a lot of things you can do as a freelancer, and you'll be making money for yourself every month. If you know how to design pictures, you can do writing, you can write, make research, make people write their project, all these things, you can put it in work and you'll be making money from it. Some people will be saying, how can I make money if I know how to design these things? It's very simple. If you know how to do these things, all you just have to do is just to go to website like Fiverr and Upwork. And also you can create a WhatsApp group where you tell people you offer this kind of service, and people are going to patronize you, give you work to do for them. And when you are doing these things, you also be making some money for yourself. Yes, you can make money for yourself. And all you just have to do is just to sign up on Fiverr, Upwork, and you are going to see people who are looking for this service. You chat them, you communicate with each other, and they'll give you this job. You do the job for them, they are going to pay you. And if you don't know how to get registered on Fiverr or Upwork, I have a video in this channel which I teach you on how you can start register on Fiverr and Upwork, and you'll be getting works from them, and how you can also be getting work from there, and you'll be doing this work for people and they'll be paying you. Now, the next one on our list today is what we call YouTube channel. That is faceless and content. You can start creating faceless content, and you can also create videos like the way you are watching me right now, and you can also be making money for yourself. Right now, this is my room, and I'm making video from my room, and I'll also be making money from this video. And there are different type of niche which you can go into in YouTube that you can also be making money for yourself. As you can see, all you just have to do is just to record a video, record videos around topics you love: cooking, comedy, lifestyle, even tutorials like what you are just watching right now. And when you are making this video, YouTube goes to monetize your channel, and you also be making money. And if you don't want to show your face, that is if you want to create faceless YouTube channel which you can be posting videos, I've already made video about that some last month, which I teach you on how you can create faceless YouTube channel, and also how you can be creating your content with AI, and you'll be posting it. And when you keep posting it, you keep doing it for a month, they are going to monetize you and you're going to start earning money. And the benefit you get from your YouTube is also you get sponsorship and you get partnership and affiliate. You can also promote your affiliate link on YouTube and you also be making money. So you should go and check that video out so that you learn how to create a YouTube account and also how you can start creating faceless content and you'll be making money on YouTube. Here now, the next one on our list is what we call blogging. Yes, blogging has been the first game changer in my life because I started blogging since year 2018, and I was a blogger then. When before I started even YouTube, I was a blogger, and there's a lot of money in also blogging. And all you just have to do, start blog around your passion, fashion, tech, finance, and anything you know you can do. You can start blogging from there and you start making money. And to do blogging right now is very simple because there are a lot of AI that will help you write your content, write everything for you. All you just have to do, you can use ChatGPT to create your own content, and after ChatGPT make the write-up for you, all you just have to do is just to edit them and start posting it on your website. All you just have to do is to create your own personal website, and when you create your own website, you can start making money from it by Google AdSense, because you are going to monetize it with what we call Google AdSense. And when you monetize it, you are also going to be making some money for yourself. So if you need more details about this, about blogging, let me know in the comment section of this video. Just comment in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to make video about that, a full video about that to explain on how you can start creating your own website, how you can start blogging, and how you can be earning money with it. I'm also going to make that video. So let me know if you want that video in the comment section of this video. Let me know and I'm going to put you through. Now, the last one in our list today is what we call subscription newsletter. You can also use this and be making money for yourself. Yes, you can also try it and you'll be making money for yourself. So with all this list for you right now, you can go and try any of it right now, and when you try it, you can be using any of it at the comfort of your home, doing it, and you'll be making some cool cash for yourself every month. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you on my next video.